Hello teacher, today I'd like to introduce my company. Well, I work for ABC Co. Limited, a Japanese manufacturer of industrial machinery and automation system. Our headquarters are in Shiga, Japan, and we also have branches in other cities. The company was established in 1926, and today we have about 108 employees. Our company specializes in designing, manufacturing, installing, and maintaining industrial machinery. We also provide engineering service and customized automation solutions. Our main customers are manufacturers in the glass, steel, and other manufacturing industries. We also work closely with many suppliers to ensure high quality. I work in the technology development department as a mechanical design engineer. My job is to design custom automation machines based on customers' requirements. During each project, I often work with the research and development team, quality control department, and the manufacturing team to improve machine performance and quality. One of our strengths is that we provide total engineering solutions. We support our clients from machine design and electrical design to manufacturing, assembly, installation, and maintenance. Compared with many other companies, we can provide highly customized solutions based on its customers' needs. To be honest, what I like most about my company is that every project is different. Every new project gives me the opportunity to learn new technology, solve engineering problems, and improve my design skill. In the future, I'd like to improve my English communication skill and engineering knowledge. I also hope our company continues to expand its business in the global market and develop smarter automation systems by using AI. Thank you for listening. See you later.